Someone today is carrying a stone, ready to judge, ready to condemn. But in the gospel, Jesus quietly says, "Put it down." A woman is brought before him, ashamed, afraid, exposed. Everyone is ready to punish her. Everyone is ready to throw a stone. But Jesus speaks. Let the one without sin be the first to throw a stone. And one by one, they all walk away. Then Jesus looks at her, not with anger, not with shame, but with mercy. He says, "Neither do I condemn you. Go and do not sin anymore." You know, this is the heart of God. He sees your sin, but He does not reject you. He sees your past, but He still believes in your future. So today, don't carry stones and don't be afraid if you feel like that woman, because Jesus is not here to condemn you. He is here to forgive you and give you a new beginning. Amen.